Hi, and welcome to the Spring 21 release of the Permissioner. The Permissioner is a free app built by Arkus, available on the Salesforce AppExchange. Using a simple interface, the Permissioner allows administrators to select one or more permission sets to assign to one or more users at a time, dramatically reducing the time involved with assigning and revoking permission sets to multiple users. This latest version of the Permissioner has been tested and confirmed compatible with the Salesforce Spring 21 release, as well as compliant to all Salesforce critical updates from Summer 20 and Winter 21 previous releases. In today's video, we will show how to use the Permissioner app to assign and revoke permission sets for users. Access. We can access the Permissioner in three different ways: via App Launcher, via Lightning component you can add to any page in Salesforce, and via mobile device. Once we are on the Permissioner tab, we use Assign subtab to mass assign permissioner sets to multiple users. We use Revoke subtab for mass revocation, and we can navigate to the Instructions subtab for instructions on how to work this app. To take advantage of the Permissioner app, first, you need to install it from the AppExchange in your Salesforce instance. Please note, in case you already have the Permissioner installed and are looking to upgrade to the most current version, you will need to uninstall the existing Permissioner package and then repeat the installation steps. To install the Permissioner, first step is to locate it on the AppExchange by searching and clicking on the package. Scroll down to the Customization Guide section and open the installation guide for Lightning or Classic, depending on which user interface your Salesforce system is on. Then, simply follow the installation steps outlined in the documentation, and if you are not a system administrator, make sure to previously go over the technical requirements section in the documentation. If you have any issues, please contact us at support@arkusinc.com. Good luck installing! For tips on how to use the Permissioner app, please check out the user guide in the Lightning video section.